Hello students, we are together in our online general knowledge class. We are going to continue with unit environment around, and today we are going to do page number 24. The chapter's heading is Explore the Sciences. In this chapter, there are different branches of science dealing with different fields. Read the given descriptions carefully and unjumble the letter to get the correct answer. Now we are having so many descriptions and they are related to a branch of a science, a certain branch of a science. We have to unjumble the letters and form the correct name of the science. So let's start it. At first place we are having science concerning the study of movement ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स थ्रू एयर. वो साइंस जो जुड़ी हुई है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की मूवमेंट से, और वो कैसे होती है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की मूवमेंट्स थ्रू एयर. सो द वर्ड विल बिकम, वी विल फ्रेम अ वर्ड. द ब्रांच ऑफ अ साइंस इज एरोनॉटिक्स. वी विल मेंशन इट हियर. एरोनॉटिक्स. Next is science governing travel in space. So interesting. वो साइंस जो स्पेस की ट्रैवलिंग से रिलेट करती है, एंड दैट ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इज, द वर्ड विल बिकम एस्ट्रोनॉटिक्स. वी विल मेंशन इट हेयर. एस्ट्रोनॉटिक्स. एस्ट्रोनॉटिक्स. Next is science that deals with the study of spread of disease in a large population. वो साइंस जो कोई भी डिजीज़ की स्प्रेडनेस से रिलेट करती है और वो डिजीज़ बहुत लार्ज पॉपुलेशन में फैल जाता है, स्प्रेड हो जाता है, एंड दैट ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इज एपिडेमियोलॉजी. सो वी विल राइट इट हेयर. एपिडेमियोलॉजी. Okay. Next is students, science that deals with the possibility of life outside the earth. वो साइंस जो कहती है कि हमारे प्लैनेट अर्थ के बाहर भी लाइफ पॉसिबल है. सो दैट ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इज एक्सोबायोलॉजी. द वर्ड विल बिकम एक्सोबायोलॉजी. एक्सोबायोलॉजी इज द term. Next is biological science which deals with the study of structure of tissues. That science, biological science is that deals with the study of structure of tissues. So the word that we will frame from this unjumbled letters, that is histology. Histology is the word. At number 6, we are having science and technology that deals with making and working of different types of robots. Now, this branch of science deals with different types of robots. So, the word will become robotics. We will mention it here. Robotics. At number 7, science which deals with occurrence, location and properties of earthquakes. So it's quite easy to judge that it is seismology. Next is science which deals with the study related to efficient use of human energy, in which we make efficient use of human energy, and the word will become ergonomics. So you will mention it here. Next is science that deals with the causation of a disease, and it is etiology. The word will become etiology. Last is science which deals with passing on of characters from parents to their offsprings, and it is genetics. So class, this was your chapter related to the branches of sciences, in which we have gained a lot of information. I hope you have enjoyed the chapter and try to do it by your own in your GK book. Thanks to be here. We are going to sum up our video. Thank you class. Good.